video, I'm showing you how to make caramel Florentines. How gorgeous do they look? And talk about delectable. This one's for my friend Di. Oh yeah. So the ingredients you will need will be melting chocolate, some glacé cherries, flaked almonds and slithered almonds, condensed milk, cornflakes, and that's all you need. 1 cup of cornflakes, slithered almonds, 2/3 of a cup of condensed milk, and 1 cup to 3/4 of a cup of cherries. Now you're going to put them all in a bowl and give it a mix together. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees. Then you're going to give it all a good old mix. Get a cookie cutter to make the shapes on a silicone mat or baking paper, your choice. So you just put the spoonful of mixture in, press it down and pull it out. Easy as that. Now bake for 12 minutes or until golden. Then you take them out of the oven and let them cool. You're going to melt your chocolate and add a little bit of oil. Give that a mix, and then you're going to dip the bottoms of the Florentines in the chocolate. Put them in the fridge to set. So simple to make, guys. And this is me taking one off the silicone mat. Talk about delish. And so simple, and you have Florentines. Cheers, guys.